3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, we got another move for intermediate students. I'm Juana.
And I'm Hervin, and we're from Salsa Ninja. And we want to teach you some moves, so if you like this content, subscribe down below, okay? Enjoy the video, see you guys soon. Hey guys, what's going on? This next move is called the Lychee Martini here at Salsa Ninja. Let's jump right into it. Basic step, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The first step is I'm going to go one hand up, one hand down, and we're going to go into a hammer lock. 1, 2, 3. You notice I take a side step as she's doing the right turn. Watch a second. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And from here, I'm going to turn myself to the left. 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to end up here in front of her. One last time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Girls, keep your elbow down as they're going through underneath. And then also keep the hand behind you. Don't take it out. Then from there, we're going to go into a crossbody lead for her. 1, 2, 3. I am going to perform this ninja move right here. 5. I hook the hand. So what I do is I touch my left shoulder. 5, and I get the hand over. Then from there, I'm going to go like if I had a pizza tray here, and I'm going to go over her head. 6. She's doing the hairbrush. With my left hand, with my right arm, it's like a karate chop to the right, to her right shoulder, and then from there, 6, 7, cross body lead, 5, 6, 7. So let's try again from the top. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, and 5, 6, 7. What makes this work is the fact that the hands are really light. Let's see it one last time from the top from this angle. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Light hands and fingers. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 5, 6, 7. 1, and 5. All right, guys, that's the Lychee Martini. I hope you enjoy it. Let's practice it now with music. Awesome job for making it all the way to the end of the video. Boom!
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe below.
See you guys next time.